Hello children, we are on lesson 5. Our lesson 5 of moral science, class 3, don't be lazy. Today's topic is don't be lazy. So it is not at all wise to be lazy. We should do our work in the right time so that we should not regret later of wasting our time. Let us begin the lesson. There are some people who do not think of tomorrow. Lot of people are there who do not think of tomorrow. They never feel sorry for wasting their time also. They waste their time randomly and they don't feel sorry for that also. So here is a story of the grasshopper and the ant. Let us begin the story. There was a grasshopper named Gracie. Gracie is the name of a grasshopper. He had a hard-working friend, Annie the ant. So, who was Annie? Annie was the ant who was a very hard-working friend of Gracie. It was a summer season. Everything looked bright and beautiful. During the summer season, everything looked very bright and beautiful. Lazy Gracie passed time by singing merrily and eating. So, how the Gracie was passing his time? He was simply singing merrily and eating. One day he saw his friend Annie gathering food. So one day, what did Gracie saw? Gracie saw his friend Annie was gathering food. He laughed at her and said, "Why are you so busy doing? Why do you work so hard? Come here and enjoy the summer and listen to my merry notes." So, what did Gracie say to his friend? That why are you so busy? Why do you work so hard? Come here and enjoy the summer and listen to the merry notes. Annie said, "No, dear Gracie, I do not have time. I have to store food for the winter season." During winter time, if they will not store food, then how they are going to survive? So in the winter time, all will be frozen. So there will be no food. So Annie said that I have no time, I have to store food for the winter season. Then what did Gracie say? Gracie said, "How greedy you are. You are storing food for the next season. You should enjoy this season." Gracie said, "You are very greedy by nature. You are not enjoying now and you are storing food for the next season. You should enjoy this season right now." Annie said, "Do not sit idle. Think of your future." Children, we should always think about our future. We should try to protect our future. Sunny days will not last forever. Yes, it's very true. Every time the bright days will not be there. Gracie started laughing at the Annie and said, "Why should I spoil my present for the future? Let me enjoy and have fun." What did Gracie said by laughing? Gracie said, "Why should I spoil my present? I am happy with my present. What will happen in future? Let's see that time. My present for my future. Let me enjoy and have fun." So Gracie said, "Now let me enjoy and have fun." After some time, winter came. So winter arrived after some time. Food was getting scarce. In the winter time, food was very scarce. Gracie found it really difficult to get food. He was starving. Gracie didn't find food, so he was starving. One day he went to Annie's house to ask for some food. So as he was starving, so he knew that Annie has already collected food during the summertime. So he went to Annie's house to ask some food. Now what did Annie say? Annie said, "Now you are asking me for food. When I told you to store food for the winter season, you did not bother." Annie said, "When I asked you to store the food for the winter time, that time you said, 'Let me enjoy the summer.' Now enjoy the winter dancing. I will not give you anything to eat." So Annie straightly said, "No, I will not give you anything to eat. You enjoy the winter by dancing also, dancing." And she shut her door. Then Gracie realized his mistake of not storing anything for winter. Now Gracie realized that he has done a mistake. He wasted his time in the summer by merrily singing, enjoying it, Instead of thinking about the winter, what he is going to eat, he felt sorry, but he could not bring back the time he has already wasted. Children, whenever we waste our time, that time, particular time, will never come back. Once it is wasted, it will never come back. So try not to waste a single time. Try to utilize it properly so that it gives a beautiful result. So today's thought of the day is what? Time lost cannot be recalled. Once you lose your time, or once the time is lost, it cannot come back, or it cannot be recalled. That particular period of time will never come back in your life again. So try not to waste time. Use it in a proper way. Thank you.